Now in this problem it is given a word is sitting on the high tension line in which current of 2800 ampere is flowing and the resistance per unit length of the wire is 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 5 ohm per meter. If the word is sitting over it and their feet is at the separation of feet of the word is at the separation of 4 centimeter, that is 0.04 meter, then what will be the potential difference across the feet of the word? So resistance through which current will flow, resistance of this portion we are measuring, that will be lambda into L, 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 5 into 0.04. When you simplify, the resistance would be 1 into 10 to the power of minus 6 ohm. So potential difference across the feet of the word, that will be I into R. Current is given 2800 ampere and resistance is 10 to the power minus 6. So when you simplify, you will get 2.8 into 10 to the power of minus 3 volt. So this is the potential difference across the feet of the word. Thank you for watching the video.